In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about the DREAME L40s Ultra AE before you buy it. If you've ever wanted a robot that truly does it all, this one comes close. The DREAME L40s Ultra AE is a vacuum and mop combo built to handle real homes. Pet hair, crumbs, spills, and everything in between, with almost no effort from you. Let's start with the power. The L40s Ultra AE has 19,000 pascals for max suction, which is massive. It easily lifts fine dust, cereal, and debris out of carpet fibers and floor gaps. Whether you've got tile, marble, hardwood, or rugs, it adapts automatically for the best clean on each surface. It's also designed to stay tangle-free. Its smart dual brush system combines a liftable rubber brush for larger debris with a tri-cut brush that literally cuts through long hair before it wraps around the roller. That means no more digging out tangled clumps by hand. Now, here's where it gets clever. Corners and edges are often a weak spot for robot vacuums, but not this one. It uses Mop Extend technology, which stretches the mop outward to reach baseboards and tight corners. And when it rolls over carpets, the mop automatically lifts by 10.5mm to keep them dry. Small detail, big difference. The navigation system is also top tier with AI-powered 3D obstacle avoidance. The L40s Ultra AE recognizes and dodges more than 120 types of household objects, from cables to socks to shoes, and plots the efficient route through your home. It moves smoothly, without bumping into furniture or dragging anything around. But the real showpiece is the power dock base. This is where convenience reaches another level. It automatically empties dust for up to 100 days, washes the mop pads with 149 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, and dries them with hot air after each run. No mildew smell, no manual scrubbing, no hands-on mess. It even refills the water tank on its own so the robot is always ready to go. You can control everything through the Dream Home app. Customize cleaning zones, change suction power, schedule runs, or tell it to clean a specific room. It also connects to Alexa, so you can start a session with a simple voice command while you cook or relax. Now, let's talk about one of its competitors, the Roborock Q Ravo. It's a solid robot that also vacuums and mops. But here's the thing, it doesn't clean quite as deep, and it doesn't stay as fresh. Its suction is only 5,500 pascals, which means it struggles with heavier debris. Its base station washes mop pads with regular tap water, no hot water cleaning, so stains and bacteria build up faster. And while it dries the pads, it takes much longer to do so, which can leave them damp and musty. The DREAME L40s Ultra AE, on the other hand, hits harder, cleans smarter, and maintains itself better. You get stronger suction, a real hot water mop wash, faster drying, and smarter navigation. The dual brush system also handles long hair far better than Roborock's single roller. It's the difference between a robot that just runs and a robot that actually thinks while it cleans. If you want something that truly takes cleaning off your to-do list, this is it. The DREAME L40s Ultra AE delivers professional level results with almost zero effort from you. Powerful suction, intelligent obstacle avoidance, self-washing and drying. It's a complete cleaning system built for busy homes with pets, kids, and daily life. Check out the current price using the link in the description and see for yourself why more people are switching to DREAME. See you next time!